I would stand back. Okay, I'm going. You can just walk a little briskly. You don't have to.
Yeah, stay there for 2 minutes.
Oh, it hurts. You have to hold it the right way. You can't
tulad ng buhong nawawala. Ikaw ay sino?
Tingin sa akin!
Buhay ko.
Bakit silang dalawa nagkita kayo na eh? Nakapikit! Kayo dalawa, kasama kayo!
Ilang beses
Alam na kayo ka!
malinaw na, malinaw